$9.25. That's $9.99. $9.25. That's $900. That's your $25 here to buy. $9.25. $9.25. $25. That's $9.25. That's $9.50 now. $75. $9.75. $9.50 here to buy. $75. $9.75. $9.50. $75. That's $9.75. $50 here to buy. $75. $9.75. $65. $9.75. No, that's $75. $9.50. $3.71. $3.71.
110. Her sister. Open up.
Nice clean animal here. Hey, you tell me $1,000, $800, 7 guys, 7, you get 7. Are you good at 7? 700, 700, 700. Let's go, 600. $600 now, now 700. It's over at 607. It's 700, 600 in here. $20 now, 25. 600 and $20 now, 25 minutes, 25. It's 650 now, 75, 700, 700, and 70. Go to 700, 1100, 700 now. It's 700 now, 25, $50, 750, 725, 50. It's 700 now, 75, 775, 57, 75. It's 700 now, 8, 775, 800. It's 775, 800. Turn again, 8, 25, 50. 850, 825, 50. 825, 50. 825, 825, 371, fire, 371.
88. Another open ever.
And what a nice looking one. 900 on here. Yeah, 900. Well, now get me going. 70 on here. 700 and 700 and 750. $725, 725 and a half. That's 700 and 100 here now. 25, 725, 50. $75, 775, 800 and 825, 50. Got a big now. 75, 875, 875, 875, 875. 850 now. 75. It's now 9. It's 9 o'clock. 20, 50, 950, 950, 925. I thought we just got going here. 950, 925, 50, 950, 950. 925, 950, 9 according to number 371, 371.
73 and 76. Both open, self-choice.
Your choice here, 700, hit, 705, get me going, 5, 600, that's $600, $500, $600, $600, $500, $600, $600, $600 there. That's $600, $500, $500, $500, $525, $50, it's 75, $575, $575, $575, $75, $575, it's $5.5 now, $75, $575, $550 here to buy, $75, and $600 now a quarter, $625, $600 now, $25 minutes, $25, it's $600 now, $25 minutes, $600, what you go, $25 minutes, $25, it's $600 here to buy, $25 minutes, $25, 50, and $650 now, $75, $675, $675, it's $675 minutes, $6.5 now, $75, $675 minutes, $75, $675, it's $6.5 here to buy, your turn, $75, $6, yes or no, $675, $6.5, $75. And now 700, 700, 700, 7, you almost have 700, 75 minutes, 700, so 675, want to bait? 2 times the money, and that's our number. 223, 2 times the money to 223.
111. 111. It's an Angus. She weighs 712 pounds. And 119. 119 is 452 pounds.
All right, your choice again. Bid $700 on. It can be going $700, $700 now, $700, $700, $700, $500, let's go, $500, $500, $600 now, it's $700, $700,
$712 pounds,
$700 and a half. It's $700 now, $800, $775, $750, $75. It's $775, $750 here to buy, $75, $775 now, $800, and $800, $775, $800, $800, $775, $800, and $800, $800 and a quarter, $825, $825 now, $25, $825, $50, $850, $825, $50, $825 here to buy, $50, $825, $50 now, $75, $75, $875, $875, $875, $850 now, $75, $875 now, $9, $900 now, a quarter, $925, $50, $950, $75, now $10, $1,000 on it, even money, $1,000 down, $10,000, $975, $1,000, $1,000, $975 here to buy, $1,000 on it, $975, $1,000, $10, gotta go, $10, $975, did you take? $10, $975, $10, so $975. Would you like a big 181? Takes a big one. Takes a big one. We got the other one, 450 pounds, if I'm right. Time to go again. Yep, 500. Got the smaller one left. 500, 500, 119. So number $500, $500. Yep, time to go now. $600, $600, $600. And now $700, $700 there. $800 to go. $800, $800, $700. Yep, $725, $700 now. $25, $700. Yep, let's go. $700 now. $25, $50, $750, $725, $50 now. Down $750. Yep, $725, $50, $725, $50. Let's go. $725, $50. All in an election. $725.
113. We're selling the Angus.
What's your buyer's number down here? 337. Thank you. 337.
Angus calf there weighs 546 pounds, the heifer.
On the Angus heifer there. All right, cowbell, $700, $700, $700, $700, $700, $700, $700, $700, $700,